In a lawsuit, a company can settle out of court for a loss of $450,000 or go to trial losing $820,000. If found guilty or lose nothing if found not guilty. Bum, bum, bum. I would play the People's Court music right now, but I don't want to get sued. So think about it in your head. You're welcome. So in reading this problem, I want you to think about what the possible outcomes are. If you need to, pause the video. And we're back. I'm assuming you paused the video and it was a dramatic and you're back. You're welcome. So in this problem, there are actually only two outcomes. You are found not guilty, or you're found guilty. I don't know why I'm saying you. I guess you're the company here, so congratulations. The reason these are the two outcomes is because we have to see what the possible outcome will be, or the expected value will be from going to court. If the expected value is bigger than $450,000, then that means the company should just settle out of court and pay the $450,000 and be done with it. If the expected value is less than $450,000, then it's a good idea for the company to go to court because they're expected to pay less than the settlement. So it's in their best interest. We're assuming, of course, that the company wants to save the most money. So we're only focusing on the court. This $450,000 is not part of the problem in terms of determining the expected value. All right, so beginning, to each outcome, we assign a probability and a payoff. So the probability of being found not guilty, we're told, is 76%. So 0.76 times the payoff for being found not guilty is you lose nothing, 0. Or the probability of being found guilty, well, if there's a 76% chance of being found not guilty, then there's a 24% chance of being found guilty. So 0.24 times, and if we're found guilty, we lose $182,000. I did not say that right. I can do it. $820,000. I'm sleepy. Now, whether you make that positive or negative, oh, that was Clover. She says hi. Whether you make that positive or negative doesn't matter. That's just semantics at this point. Technically, it should be negative because it's money going out. But you'll see when we get to the problem. So let's put that in the calculator. Woo! I love how I'm carrying. You know what? Notice this part right here is just going to be 0. So all we really care about is the second half here. Boop! And we got 196,800. So what this is saying is if the company goes to court, they are expected to pay $196,800. Notice that is far less than settling out of court. Because of that, it is in the company's best interest to go to court because the chance of them winning is quite high, but more importantly, they're expected to pay a lot less than their settlement of $450,000. So, to court. Bam, bam, bam. That's all I'm giving you. Again, I don't want to get sued.